Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, before we get into this video, for some of you who don't know, Pela guys, we need to put some respect on Amahle's name. Pela, this girlie is a record time degree holder. Congratulations to her, guys, for successfully completing her degree. Now, guys, you can see the video that's playing on your screens. Amahle, she is partnering with this company called Smart, yeah. They send her classes. So you can see girl, it seems like this is her first campaign work that she's doing. And I thought to myself, you know what? Congrats, girl, because this is just the beginning of girl making money. Guys, niyayibona wa talento that dating these guys abafana njengompumelelo, these guys that are out there on TV, it's not all they're bad. Yes, cheater. Yes, they are the way they are. But at least, guys, manje, famous, you know, she can start making money on the side. Something that would have taken an ordinary girl her age years or months. Years to build in terms of followers, to make the type of money she could potentially make. She has the followers. She can make that money. Iyabona nje guys ukuthi akhona ama benefits. Look at uVuyokazi and uTirelo. Yes, they were made Popeyes in front of the whole country, but they're making money, guys. I'm joking, guys. If you are around their age, guys, and you're listening to this video, please listen to me very well. Your age mates are the CEOs of tomorrow. Don't give up on your age mates. They are the future leaders. Don't give yourself to men who are way older than you or men who don't respect you just so that you can get fame and make quick money. No, be patient, work hard, stick with your age mates and people who at least respect you and be willing to build. Pela, you are not Bob the Builder and you still 25 and younger. Anyway, I am happy that Amahle is jumping on the train sooner than later because Umpumelelo himself is into content creation. He familiar content creation there, that guys. So why shouldn't she hop on? There's tons of opportunities to make money. Anyway, congratulations, Amahle. This is just the first of many, I believe. And I just really hope in this economy and country that you'll be able to put your degree to good use. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.